Hello?
Hello?
What is so
You hear
loud?
me?
Yeah, what is so loud in the background?
I'm at an NBA game.
Where are you?
The Heat game.
At the Heat game? You're actually at the game right now?
Yeah, we'll turn on FaceTime if you could.
No, I don't have that technological ability. So this is Yossi Farro.
Correct.
Correct. Okay, who did you put tefillin on with today?
I did fill in with Joe Lonsdale.
And who's that? For those
The
of us who
founder,
are...
the founder of Palantir Technology.
It's a pretty big deal, right?
Yeah, it's a $160 billion company.
160 billion with a B. Buh.
With a base, as they say.
With a base. Yeah, base for Bereishis Bara Alikim. Okay, and I heard that you met another A-lister today, and you didn't. Here's a shocking headline: Yossi Farro meets A-list celebrity and does not put tefillin on with him. Who did you meet and you did not put on tefillin with today?
There's Owen something.
Owen Wilson.
Yes, that was his name.
Owen Wilson, A-list celebrity actor. And why didn't you put tefillin on with him, Yossi?
Because he is Irish Catholic.
Meaning he's not a Jew. Okay. Did you tell him about the Sheva Mitzvahs?
Boy, 100%.
100%. Okay, the 7 Noahide laws for the righteous non-Jews of this planet. Okay. It's so loud with that Heat game. Oh, you muted yourself? Did you hang up or you're muted? Okay. Anyways.
Yossi, I guess I got muted by your admin.
Okay, listen, Yossi, tell us one message for the SoulWords live audience. One message for us.
Donate to Rabbi Shais Taub. It's a good cause.
SoulWords.org/donate.
Correct.
And we're accepting billions with a base.
Are you accepting Bitcoin?
Bitcoin with a base. Noch mit a base. Okay, Yossi, it's too loud in the background. We're going to have you on for real sometime, okay? Okay, that was amazing. Wow.
Sounds good.
Okay, sei gesund. If people don't know, Yossi is this 20-year-old kid who puts on tefillin with celebrities and the captains of industry and philanthropists and A-listers of all types. And some people question, like, what's this obsession? Why is he doing this? And I want to tell you something. This kid has single-handedly, no pun intended, single-handedly, tefillin. Actually, I should do my left arm because most people are righties and they wrap tefillin on the left. He has single-handedly brought attention to the Rebbe's Mivtza Tefillin, perhaps more than any other chassid in our generation. It's amazing. And he's done it with the powers of modern technology. He's big on... They used to call it Twitter, but it's X. He's big on X, starting to get big on Instagram, and I'm sure other platforms. And he has brought so much attention to tefillin. It's unreal. It's unreal. I just want to share one quick thing about Yossi, because he's a friend, so it's okay if I tease him a little bit, even though he's not on here. The other night, I saw a video. Actually, it was right before Shabbos. It was on Friday afternoon. I saw a video of him standing up in a theater. Larry David was giving some type of presentation, and he asked Larry David, "Would you like to put on tefillin?"
Where are you?
I'm right over here. You see me?
Okay, yeah.
I have a question for you, Larry.
Yeah.
First of all, have you ever wrapped tefillin before?
No, I haven't.
You've never wrapped tefillin before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm trying to think of the amount of money it would take for me to do that. I can't come up with a figure.
And Larry David said, "No, I don't want to put on film." So I called up Yossi after Shabbos, and I said, "Yossi, that was in the night, wasn't it? Wasn't that recorded in the evening?" He's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "You were standing there holding tefillin. You were asking him, Larry David, would he like to put on tefillin? You don't put on tefillin after Shkia. That means after sunset." He's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "So what were you going to do if he said yes?" I mean, he said no, but what were you going to do if he said yes? He said, "I would figure it out." And I cracked up and I said, "Yossi, you're a nut. What do you mean you're going to figure it out? Imagine if he said, yes, I'll put on tefillin right now, but it's after sundown. You're not supposed to put on film. What do you mean you'll figure it out? And I stopped myself, and I said, you know what, Yossi, ignore me, please. Because if you were able to think that deliberately and carefully, you would not have any of the success that you have. So it's much better that you're the kind of guy who gets yourself into a situation before he has a plan. And because of that, what we call shtus de kedusha, that holy madness, a lot of good things came from it. So, hey, this is Shais Taub. You were just watching a clip from this class. If you want to get the full context, the full class that this clip that you just watched was from, you watch right here. Click right here.